On July 4th, 1187, one of the most decisive battles of the medieval era unfolded near the western shore of the Sea of Galilee. Sultan Saladin, ruler of Egypt and Syria, faced King Guy of Lusignan and the combined forces of the Latin Kingdom of Jerusalem. The outcome would reshape the fate of the Crusader states. Saladin had gathered a powerful army of up to 24,000 soldiers, elite Mamluk warriors, mounted archers, and eager volunteers. In contrast, the Crusader force numbered around 16,000 men, including 1,300 heavily armored knights. But their greatest weakness was their position. In their march to relieve the besieged city of Tiberias, the Crusaders were lured into the arid hills of Galilee, far from any source of water. On July 3rd, Saladin's cavalry launched relentless hit-and-run attacks, wearing down the Crusaders as they struggled forward under the burning sun. As night fell, the Muslims controlled the water supply, while their enemies camped in exhaustion and thirst. The next morning, Saladin intensified the pressure. His men set fire to the dry grass, choking the Crusaders with smoke and heat. With their lines breaking apart, the Franks attempted a desperate charge, but it was too late. The Muslim archers, each armed with hundreds of arrows, devastated the Crusader ranks. In the chaos, discipline collapsed. Some knights fled, while others, including the Knights Templar, fought to the death. By midday, the last Crusader forces had retreated to the twin peaks of the Horns of Hattin. Here, surrounded and outnumbered, they made a final stand. 2 desperate charges aimed at killing Saladin himself failed, and soon the Muslim forces overwhelmed them. The battlefield was littered with fallen knights, and thousands of Crusaders were taken prisoner. Among the captives was King Guy of Lusignan, who was spared. However, his ally, Reynald of Châtillon, infamous for attacking Muslim caravans, was executed by Saladin's own hand. The True Cross, Christianity's sacred relic, was captured, a devastating symbolic loss for the Crusaders. Following this victory, Saladin's army swept through the Holy Land. Within months, key Crusader strongholds, Acre, Jaffa, and Beirut, fell. Then, on October 2nd, 1187, Jerusalem itself surrendered after 88 years under Christian rule. Unlike the massacres of 1099, Saladin allowed the Christian population to buy their freedom, though many were enslaved. The fall of Jerusalem sent shockwaves through Europe, triggering the Third Crusade. Kings of England, France, and the Holy Roman Empire would march east in an attempt to reclaim the Holy Land. But despite their efforts, Jerusalem would remain under Muslim rule. The Battle of Hattin was more than a military victory. It marked the beginning of the end for the Crusader states in the Middle East.